Tenzin, and today we're going to be touring around Nangma restaurant. This is the biggest Tibetan restaurant in Queens, and they're known for serving Sichuan and Tibetan food. So let's go take a look inside and come on. Alright, as we enter Nangma restaurant, you are greeted by a lot of Tibetan historical art. Alright, these are the seats as well. We have 72 to be exact. And if there's not enough space, we always have extra chairs upstairs. And that's for big gatherings such as like family events, birthdays, and parties. And let's go to the bar now. Alright, and this is upstairs. As I said before, downstairs, if there wasn't enough space, a lot of people tend to book up here. And on the side, we also do birthdays here, graduations, a lot of Tibetan events that get booked here as well. And you can really enjoy the Tibetan artifacts as well as like see the rest of the right. And this is the bottom floor. And this is also where people book for different events. And it's also very spacious as well, just in case, because this is more like a night vibe more than a morning event. And we also have a stage up here. It could be like birthday events as well, and meetings. Let me just look around. And we have all the LED lights up above. Alright guys, so we come to the end of this Nangma tour. And after this video, I hope you guys come visit Nangma and enjoy our Tibetan and Sichuan food that we serve here. And oh, and also just to let you guys know, all the girls and little boys, on Wednesdays, if you come in at Chua, you do get 15% off of your food that you come here for. And I hope you guys come with your Chuas on Wednesdays to see you guys.